Hi guys, what's up? I'm Annapurna, and in this clip I'll show you how to add open captions, also called subtitles, in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into the topic. Now here in my Premiere Pro, I have already added a clip, and into this clip we will add the captions. So to add the captions, select New Item and then go to Captions. For the standards, there are various options. CEA 608 and 708 are the closed caption formats. Now, closed captions are the ones that can be turned off by the viewers. They can choose if they want to see the captions or not. You can completely skip this for now. And then coming to open captions, this is the one that we need. Open captions are embedded into the video and hence the user has to see the caption. So we will select open captions and keep all the other settings as they are. Hit OK. Now here my caption has been created. I'll just drag it into the timeline, and now this is the one that we have to edit. Now just drag this part to adjust the caption to cover the entire clip. And here this black bar is the one where we write the caption text. Now to see the caption panel, go to Windows and here check on Captions. And on selecting this, and this is where all the work for the caption has to be done. So I'll just enlarge it. Now let's start with this. Now this is how we determine which part of our video will have this caption. Now you can simply adjust the position by dragging it from here, or you can also set it precisely by changing the timestamp here in the in and out option. Listen to the audio and write the caption.
At the Archaeological Museum at Konark, there are so many.
We will take this much for now. So enter the text here. Now comes the time for adjusting the position and the caption text. Now to adjust the position of the caption easily, here we are given a grid. You can select any of this. This is the bottom center, this is the left center. This way you can position your caption. And if you want to change it more precisely, you can also update the X and Y position here and change the position of your caption. Now this was the position. You can also change the font. Here you can select the font weight. Here the size of the text can be adjusted. Let's say 48. I'll change it to default 38. Now other settings which you can do with this caption is, here is a shortcut for the font weight. Make it bold, Italian, underline, whatever you like. You can also add the music note from this. Now you can also change the background color for the text, the text color and the edge color as well. To change the background color, select this and hit this color picker. Let's say it is some shade of red, hit OK, and here my background color is changed. To change the text color, select this and select the color picker, and let's say black. Now edge color, select it, let's say white, hit OK. So this way you can customize the caption text color as well. Now here you can also change the opacity of the background. Hit this and then change the opacity. I'll restore the caption back to the normal. So this way you can customize the caption font. Now to add more captions to the video, just press this plus button and this will add the caption.
Artifacts and the leftovers from the 13th century.
Artifacts and the leftover from the 13th century, and I'll extend this up to this point. So here is my next caption. It has all the settings that we had given for the first caption that we added. So this way, any setting that you do for the first caption will be copied for the rest of the caption. So this way you can keep on adding as many captions as you want and adjust the position. And if you want to delete any, just hit the subtract button. Select the caption and hit the subtract button. So this way you can remove the caption as well. So this was all about adding captions or the subtitles in the video. Let me know any specific topics that you want to learn for Adobe Premiere Pro. See you in the next clip. Bye bye, take care and keep smiling.